very straightforward research can be in a
Okay. Girls, let's go inside the same. Because don't talk. You want to take up there after? No.
Why not? Before giving announcement,
A very good afternoon to everyone. देव बरो दिसतील तुमकां सगळ्यांक. आनी हे आसात आमचे यूथ जे आख्खे गोंयांसान आयज आलोना आयल्यात. आनी तुमी तर बॅनर वाचले जाल्यार डेफिनेटली तुमकां कळटलें हे सगळे आयज गोंयांत घडलेलें आसा. आनी हेच आमी डिस्कस करूंक आयज हांगासर एकठांय जाल्यात. आनी डेफिनेटली आयज इतले आडोळचो लोक हिंगासर जमा जाला शिकलेले मनीस जे आमच्या गांवचो हुस्को आसा आमकां ताचे खातीर आयिल्ले आसा. डेफिनेटली आयज कितें तरी आमकां बरें आयज जाणून घेवंक मेळटलें म्हण हांव आशा.
Very nice to be back to the village of my ancestors. Okay, I'll quickly run through. आमी वो आल्दोनचो कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन आमचो बाब रोशन हू इज अ सब्जेक्ट मॅटर एक्सपर्ट एक्सप्लेन करच्या पयलीं I will just give a background to this. कित्याक खुबशा लोकांक आख्ख्या गोंयभर आमी जेन्ना भोंवताले एक डावट हा, डू वी रिक्वायर द कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅन? एंड टू अंडरस्टँड इट बेटर तुमकां एक मातशी माहिती दिता तुमकां. You all remember Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. There was emergency, there was change in government. Charan Singh became the Prime Minister, Magir Morarji Desai, and then in 1980 Indira Gandhi got a thumping majority and again became the Prime Minister. And tumka khabar ha, especially amche je wadil ha, if you all recollect those days, Indira Gandhi used to visit many states. Tika jenna as per her schedule, jenna ti vetali, she used to mix up and interact with the different sections of society, especially the marginalized, the tribals, the fishermen community. Asle community kode ti interact korun, she was basically trying to understand what is the condition or what is the situation of these people in the remotest part of the country. Ani during one of her visits, ti Orissa pauli. तुमकां खबर हा ओरिसा, whatever said and done, most of it is backward. लोक थंय खूब गरीब हा, खुबसो लोक थंयसरलो आमच्या गोंया हा हॉटेलांनी शेकांनी बी काम करतात. सो ड्युरींग दीस विजीट ती एका फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटीक मेवली, एक फिशींग विलेजीन गेली. एंड ड्युरींग हर इंटरेक्शन तुमकां खबर हा, इफ यू ऑल सी द ओल्ड व्हिडियोज, she danced with the fisherman community, तांचे बरोबर बसली, जेवली, and the community became quite at ease with her. They felt comfortable. and ताणी म्हणपा लागले, मैडम आपको कुछ बताना है, हमको प्रॉब्लम है, हम लोगों को सेव करो, हमारा कम्युनिटी खतरे में है म्हणजे आमी असलो आमकां टायम आयिल्लो आसा वी आर इन डेंजर यू हॅव टू सेव अ कम्युनिटी आनी तिणें विचारलें क्या प्रॉब्लेम है आनी ताणें सांगलें वी आर अ फिशींग कम्युनिटी लिवींग हियर फॉर सेंचुरीज हेंच आमचें पोटाचेरूच चलता नुस्तें मारपाक आनी आयज हांगा व्हडले व्हडले कारखाने येवपाचे आहा फॅक्टरीज येवपाचे आहा कोण 5 स्टार व्हडलीं हॉटेलां येवपाचीं आहात सो आमी हूंय वेतले If you all recollect, those were the days, 1980 and all, there was not these storage facilities and all, you know. That was the daily wage type. ताणी नुस्तें मारलें विकलें ताजेर चलतालें. इवन गोंयांत तुमकां खबर आहा जें एक्स्ट्रा नुस्तें आसतालें तें कितें करतालें सारें गोंय यूज करताले आमी ऑ खारें करताले सो दोज वर द डेज आनी शी अंडरस्टूड द एन्झायटी ती भियेल्ली तो लोक आनी शी सेड आई विल डू माय लेवल बेस्ट जो होगा मैं करूँगी आपके कम्युनिटी को प्रोटेक्ट करूँगी एंड ती शी वेंट बैक टू दिल्ली एंड एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर शी रोट अ लेटर तिणें एक चीट बरयली टू ऑल द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ डिफरंट कोस्टल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया रायट फ्रॉम वेस्ट बेंगॉल ओरिसा तो ईस्टर्न तुमी तर पेनिन्सुला पळयशात इंडियाच्या वेस्ट बेंगॉल एंड ओरिसा आंध्र प्रदेश कम डावन तमिळनाडू केरला गो अप गोवा मुंबई आनी गुजरात शी रोट अ लेटर टू ऑल द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स सेइंग 500 meters for high tide line from the high tide line there should be no construction but there should be protection for the local community कोण पळय रावताले थंय जे ट्रेडिशनल कम्युनिटी आहा नुस्तेकार जावं शेतकामती जावं रेनेर जावं कोणूय who have been staying they will continue to stay the local community should continue staying there तेन्ना तांणी चिंतूंक ना हे सगळे बिल्डर येतले आनी they will take over I have seen in Aldana also in many places how people have come and you know constructions have gone out of hand. Those were the days where this letter was written and the chief ministers respected that letter and ताणे implement केलें कोणाक permission दिवना but तुमकां खबर आहा there's always a counter view आनी some corporates who own land who for them development is only construction they approached the court and they म्हणपाक लागले she may be the prime minister so what her letter cannot be the law तुमचे मध्ये advocate पासून असलेले who will agree he said law has to be enacted in the parliament भासा पास जावपाक जाय पार्लमेंटान जावं असेंब्लीन पास जावपाक जाय and they approached the court and तुमकां खबर आहा generally the court when it comes to the government they don't straight away pass any strictures against that probably they must have told the solicitor general baba ye poi tumche prime minister on letter borayla cannot be a law you have to bring a bill in the parliament or assembly and please make it a law and the solicitor general agreed and he told the government or the law department the law ministry you will fail this case her letter cannot become law so finally whatever Indira Gandhi was assassinated her son became the prime minister he also was assassinated then Makadista after that Chandrasekhar became VP Singh became then Chandrasekhar became finally in 1991 this bill was brought in the parliament and tani sangle we require to provide protection to the local community to the indigenous community which is living along the coast and your community huicho amka khabar ha नुस्तेकार फर्स्ट कम्युनिटी विच लिव्स अलॉंग द कोस्ट मागीर आमचे रेंदेर आहात ट्राय एंड कनेक्ट टू आर गोवा एनी विलेज एनी लोकल कम्युनिटी अलॉंग द कोस्ट रेंदेर आसतले ओ आमचे यू नो कुल्ले खुबे काडपी ओ तिसऱ्यो काडपी ते आसतले ओ आमचे शेतकामती आसतले सो दीज कम्युनिटीज देर वॉज सम प्रोटेक्शन दॅट वॉज एन्श्रायन्ड इन दीस बिल आनी भासाभास जाली आनी तातूंत सांगलें suppose butti आयली suppose कितें flooding जालें what is the protection and that is how a bill was passed and it became a law and came to be known as CRZ 1991 because it was passed in 91 in the parliament coastal regulation zone regulatory zone coastal regulatory zone 91 because it was passed in 91 and now जेन्ना कायदो पास जाता we'll try to relate to your panchayat now suppose तुम्ही घर बांदूंक सोदता in a particular zone you all will go and submit your plans and everything to the panchayat. Panchayat will see whether you are allowed, kaido allow kotta tumka banpak, umkya zagyar allowed ha, what is the law existing. So to quote Sarpanch oppa tumka tor sangtalo or secretary tumka sangtalo, you cannot do this, he has to also quote, as per this law you cannot do. So if he has to say as per CRZ 91, you know, there is some restriction, you cannot build a hotel. Where is it written? So there had to be a plan. What plan and what is that plan? I will tell you in simple words for better understanding. तुमच्या घरान एक काजार जाता or लोगीण जाता, तुम्ही बसून प्लॅनिंग करतात, करेक्ट? मॅरेज प्लॅनर, कितलो लोक येतलो काजाराक, हुंयचे हॉल बूक करप, कितल्यो खोदेली लावप, कितले गेस्ट आसतले, हुंयचे केटर, प्लॅनिंग. That is similar to this plan what we are talking about. What is the plan for Aldona? What is the plan for Goa? What is the plan for coastal states of India? That in case there is flooding, in case there is tsunami or some calamity, do we have a plan to rescue the people? That planning, it is not that house plan. ते पळय हाका map म्हणटात. It is a map, the village map in which to me some features have to be shown. Whether you have a school, you have a hospital, you have a religious place, all these features have to come. Where is the coast? Where is the high tide line? Where is the hazard line? Till where, in case there is a flooding, udak hui pasun pauta. So that planning has to be done, and that is why, first of all, let us accept that that plan, the CRZ plan or the CZMP, is very important for us, for every village. ते तुम्ही मानून घेतात that it is important to have a good plan for a village? You all agree? Yeah. Now, what happened was, ते plan करपाक तांकां 6 वर्सां लागलीं, because it was new. Even I don't know what is a plan. आमी आतां वयल्या वयर उलयता कितें. Okay? 91 and कायदो pass जालो, and 96 and finally that coastal zone management plan for Goa was made. 6 years it took them. And you can't blame them, that was the first time it was happening. And the plan, CZMP, came to be known as CZMP 96. And that plan continued. Konang porwa padong nati. Nobody took it seriously. There is some plan. I don't think so. Even in Panchayat, people were aware. Even MLAs or ministers, they were not aware. Because there was kind of serious cause jang naslo gawan ki amka to go back to the drawing table and understand, oh, there is a plan and what it says. But zale kide, tumka khabar asteli, 26th December 2004, there was a tsunami. Ugda sa tumka? Khubshe lok mele. The tsunami struck different parts of India. It struck different countries, but India also it struck. Lot of people, thousands and thousands of people died. Indiaच्या सरकारान सांगले सुमार 800-900 people died. I can tell you that the government did not want to admit how many people died. I am one of the survivors of that tsunami. I was posted in Andaman. How I survived, how my family survived, I don't know. It's just by providence. We spent the next 5 days like a football grounder. Like a football grounder, आमी this काढले. And since I was in the Navy had arrangement for all the people, including the civil people, providing food. And the administration failed. You couldn't blame the administration because there was no plan. There was no plan, I'm repeating. At that time, the Lieutenant Governor was one Mr. Bhandari. I don't know his first name. He was a very senior RSS leader. He was appointed as he was the Lieutenant Governor. Poor fellow did not know, the administration did not know. So Navy took over and somehow, saved whatever number of people we could save. We had aircrafts, continuously they were flying, bringing people from different islands. And finally, जो पळय बॉडीज आहल्यो, ज्यो सुनामीन व्हांवून आयल्यो, ते कुसपाक लागल्यो. After 3 days, 4 days, ते कुसपाक लागल्यो. They started rotting. And the administration finally, the Delhi people came and they started liaising with the Navy. आणि एक भिरांत लागुल्ली, हें तर दुयेंस येत. बॉडी सगळे कुसपाक लागल्यो जाल्यार सगळ्या लोकांक लागतले, लोकूय मरतलो. वी डिडंट नो हाव टू टॅकल. वी वर कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द आउटसायड वर्ल्ड, टोटली कट ऑफ. आनी तेन्ना फ्रॉम डेल्ली द एडवायझरी केम, यू जस्ट बर्न द बॉडीज. Now why I am saying this is, you just can't dispose of the body, you have to count, you have to identify. We couldn't identify. They're all bloated after 10 days, 12 days, rotting, smelling. Our people in the military counted over 18,000 bodies. What I want to say is, they were not 800 and 850 people. There were thousands of people officially we have counted. So तुमकां समजून येया कसलें फ्लडिंग जायत, सुनामी जायत जाल्यार कसलें निसंटोंक जावंक शकता. There were concrete buildings of the Air Force families. There were 3 buildings which were washed away. And Janna Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister, came there. We took him in our aircraft to Nicobar. And udok itle halle. He was taken in a boat and he was told, anga building hallinti, they've disappeared. He said, where? He said, this is the sea. Building hui halle. So they said, no sir, there were buildings here, 3-story buildings. He said, Manmohan Singh, sir, what are these military fellows, foolish people? He said, where were the buildings? And they're saying, sir, buildings were here. There was not a stone left. Ek fator pasun urangna. You can see the intensity of those waves. Tsunami, that buildings disappeared. So you can imagine family kon mastalo dalya. And that is how, after that, the government of India realized ki Baba, yes, CRZ 11 and pass chalne is of no use. It cannot save the people, especially those living along the coast. So we have to have a better law. And that is how te kotta tu jano parliamentan and amche lawmakers finally in 2011 khub basapas down, debates down in the parliament, they passed a bill which was CRZ 2011, and that was passed. It became an act, it became a law and came to be known as CRZ 2011. आता कायदो पास जालो 2011, ताचे बरोबर प्लॅन जाय. 91 जेन्ना CRZ 91 पास जाल्लें तेन्ना 6 वर्सां लागलीं प्लॅन करपाक, करेक्ट? 1996 फायनली प्लॅन जालो. आतां 2011 हो कायदो पास जालो पार्लमेंटान. We are in 2021, correct? 10 वर्सां जालीं तरी प्लॅन आमचो रेडी जायना. And then when Nilesh Cabral tells us, on 7th March you have to have a public hearing. He calls the people and then he keeps the people out. And he calls it public hearing. Public is out and he calls it public hearing. And then he says 15, that is tomorrow is the last day. If you don't give your objection, finish. तुमकां 10 वर्सां लागली प्लॅन करपाक आनी आमकां तुमी 4-5 दीस दितात ऑब्जेक्शनां घालपाक without knowing the plan. Now, why this plan is dangerous? I am not going into the details because our subject matter expert, Mr. Roshan Matthias, will explain to you. There is what they have shown in the plan. Maybe tumka aldonang dakhongna, but most of the the whole coast of Goa, 53 kilometers of the coast, right from Betul to, they were saying Raj Bhavan, but now we are coming to know even Morji and Tirakol, they have shown port limits. What does it mean? That means the jurisdiction of that comes under Mormugao Port Trust. Beat it. हांव तो एमपीटी आनी म्हाका सरकारान सांगलां ही सगळी तुजी प्रॉपर्टी. तुमीच सांगा तुमची कोणाची प्रॉपर्टी आहा आल्दोनान? तुम्ही प्रॉपर्टी अशीच सोदतल्यात? फॅन्स घालचे ना तुम्ही? विल यू ऑल नॉट फेन्स इट? तुम्ही दुरीक बांदचे ना थंय? म्हजो असलो भायलो येवन फाल्यां बंगलो बांदतलो, कितें करतले तुमी? सो सेम वे जेन्ना आतां सरकार ऑफिशियली सांगता इन द प्लॅन द कोस्ट इज अंडर एमपीटी, आय एम एमपीटी, द फर्स्ट थिंग आय विल डू, हांव फॅन्स घालतलो ओ दुरीक बांदतलो. वॉट डज इट मीन? Will you and your children be able to go to the beach? आमी बंद करून उडयलें, प्रॉपर्टी इज मायन. समजली तुमी? What is there in this plan? 53 kilometers of Goa's coast has come under Mormugaon Port Trust. So what? Now, I will tell the flip side. 1985 पार्लमेंटान आनी एक कायदो पास जाल्लो. ताचें नांव जावन आशिल्लें IWAI Act of India. IWAI, Inland Waterways Act of India. Now, what does Inland Waterways Act of India say? Jitle nationalized rivers haat, there is an organization which is also known as IWAI, Inland Waterways Authority of India. And this Inland Waterways Authority of India is based in Noida, next to Delhi. They are the owners of these nationalized rivers all over India. They will enact laws or whatever under their jurisdiction. Kon deontolo tatun kide korpache, hui dredging korpache, what navigation will be done is, they are the owners of that. आमची तर पोंय असली, आमी कितें म्हणटा म्हजे पोंयेन देंवनाका, करेक्ट? ही म्हजी पोंय, प्रायवेट पोंय म्हजी. सेम वे तो म्हणटा आपणाचे धरया. In 2016, November 2016, when Mr. Lakshmikant Parshekar was the chief minister, what happened in Goa? He handed over amche so noyo to the center in the name of nationalization. Which were these rivers? Sal, South Goa. Sal, Mapsa, tumcha shezarak, which connects, I think so, to Aldona also? Huh? Mapsa river. So, Sal, Mapsa, Shapara, Kumarjua, Zuari and Mandovi, these 6 rivers, we have no right over these rivers. Am I right, sir, legally? These rivers come under the jurisdiction of Inland Waterways Authority of India, Noida. आयज पासून ते इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक ना. कित्याक 2022 इलेक्शन हा, लोकांक तिडो घेतली, म्हज्या दोरयान म्हाका देंवपाक दिना तुमी. That law has been passed, nobody can stop it. In that act which was there, passed in 1985, Inland Waterways Act of India was amended 2016 and ते मातशें amend केलें. आनी त्या amendmentan कितें केलें? There is something called appurtenant land. Appurtenant land. आमकांय तितली इंग्लीश येना. लोक अनपढ आदमी हे. म्हणून आमी डिक्शनरी ओपन केली, पळयली. Appurtenant land is unlimited land on either side of the river bank. म्हणजे हो पळय तुमची न्हंय आहा, दोरी आहा. I am IWAI, Inland Waterways Authority of India. I want land in the national interest. I want to build some project. I want to put some infrastructure. I will acquire whatever amount of land I want. 50 square meters, 100 square meters, whatever. National interest hai. Who are you to stop? I will acquire. So, what kaido samjalo tumka IWAI? You can acquire on either side of the river bank if it is nationalized. So, your river is nationalized. You all have understood what I told is CZMP kaido zai. But Goyang, they have put the coast under Mormugaon Port Trust. Second kaido, IWAI, which says you can acquire and compulsory acquisition. That means even if you go to court and the government will say this is in national interest, case kattili bhayar udaitali. So दोन कायदे झाले. Third kaido, you all must have heard. If you all have not heard, don't feel bad. Even the chief minister did not know. जेन्ना ताका हांवें सांगलें 13 तारखेर ऑक्टोबर, दोतोर वो कायदो पास जावन दिनाका पार्लमेंटान. तुमची बीजेपी हांगा सरकार आहा, सेंटराक बीजेपी सरकार आहा. प्लीज लेटर बरोय आनी सांग गोंय आमचें धाकटुलें, येदोसो गांव आमचो, आनी तुमी तर हें मेजर पोर्ट बिल तर पास केलें, देन दे विल बी अ स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट. वाय स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट हांव तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करता. The major port bill introduced जालें March 12th of March 2020 poru, just before the pandemic. म्हाका दिसता lockdown started on 23rd, 22nd म्हाका दिसता trial run आहली 24 hours lockdown, and then after another this a prime minister ते थाली बिली वाजयल्यो, घंटी वाजयली, and indefinite lockdown केले, which was good. We have no issue with that. Just before the lockdown, on 12th of March, they introduced a bill in Parliament. ताजें नांव आशिल्लें मेजर पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी बिल 2020. आनी दोगांच मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लमेंटांनी ओपोज केले. One was Mr. Shashi Tharoor, you all know, good parliamentarian and more known for his English. And second was Saugata Ray from Trinamool Congress, Calcutta. आनी सांगले तांकां, बाबा तुमी हे मेजर पोर्ट बिल हाडना, you are handing over the coast to all the major ports in India. What will happen to the fishermen community and all the communities, other communities living along the coast? Please send it back to the drawing board. If you all Google, you all will find the words are send it back to the drawing table. Discuss kora te bhadच्या पयली आमकां मार पडटलो. They took it up with the Minister of Shipping, Mansukh Manwadia. तुम्ही जाणो हुकुमत कोणाची चलता? दोन गुजरातीची, correct? Why toy Gujarati Mansukh Manwadia? He rejected. We as Goincho Awaz took up this issue, took up with the Minister for Shipping. We explained to him that Goa is a very small state. And if you hand over 53 kilometers of a coast from Betul to Raj Bhavan, जाल्यार आमचें कांय उरोंक ना. We are dependent on tourism. Mining has failed, closed down. Focus tourism. If तुमी तर बीची बंद करशात, hand it over to MPT, which tourist will come? तुमकां दिसता कोण येतलो कसो गोंया? Nobody will come. You cannot go to the beach. Finish. It is, I am MPT, my property, fencing, you'll go to hell. We wrote to him, we wrote to Mr. Francisco Sardina, South Goa MP. We wrote to Mr. Shripad Naik. At that time, Shripad Naik was in Goa, to Manipalan hallo, taka COVID zalle. But we knew to kai korung shekona because to apnaच्या सरकाराचेर against वचोंक शकना. आणि फायनली तुमकां खबर आसा ती 3 फार्मर्स बिल पास जाल्यान ती तुमकां खबर आहा? At that time, along with the 3 farmers bill, major ports bill 2020 was passed. Bulldozed, not discussed. कोणेच बासाबास करूंक ना ती. And that became Lok Sabhan pass जाले. आता on 10th of February, it has been passed in the Rajya Sabha. Bulldozed again. So it has gone to the president for his accent, it will become a law. And what does it say? Major ports authority bill, खूपशी सेक्शन आहात तातूंत. I'll try and just you have the printout? Yeah. ही आमी letter बरयल्ली on 31st July 2020 to the Minister of Shipping. Please amend. Don't scrap it. आमकां खबर आहा scrap करूंक जावचें ना. At least MPT भायर काडा. Because our Goa is very small. In this we have explained. आनी हातूंत there are 4 sections which are very dangerous, very detrimental to our state. आनी हांव तुका 4 sections ही वाचून सांगता. हातूंत पळय local body म्हणून बरयल्या, that is the panchayat or the municipality. I will just read out the 4 sections. First section is section 22 subsection 2. All port assets म्हणजे आमचे assets कितें? म्हजें घर, म्हजी property, म्हजी गाडी, bank balance are all my assets. If I have some machinery, it's my asset. So same way, MPT, all port assets shall be used and developed as per the regulation made by the board on that behalf and to the exclusion of any municipal, local or government regulation. There will be a board appointed. Yeah, port trust, major ports are including Mormugao Port Trust, they will have their own board. And there will be board members and they will formulate their own laws, own rules and regulations, which is independent of exclusion of any municipal, local or government regulation. Means local means panchayat. That means we have nothing to do with your panchayat and municipality and state government. We will come with our own rules regulation. Section 22 subsection 3. The board of each development or improving commerce and trade in national interest for which no regulatory license or approval from the state authority shall be required. They will not require any license. I am MPT, I will do what I want. I don't require anybody's license. Section 25. Subject to the rules made under this act, the board of each major port shall be entitled to create specific master plan in respect of any development or infrastructure established or proposed to be established within the port limits. Samjale tumka? Port limits have come. I am MPT, I will do my own plans, my own master plan, I'll do what I want. And such master plan shall be independent of any local or state government regulations of any authority whatsoever. That means even your TCP, town and country planning, plan with Bhairude. Whatsoever, provided that in case of, very important, please listen, provided that in case of any conflict between the master plan created by the board, that means MPT board, and any local authority, that means Panchayat, the master plan created by the board shall prevail. Any doubts? That means jo master plan Mormugaon Port Trust kottele will prevail over any existing plans made by the local bodies or state government. And the last one, and I'll wind up, section 26 subsection 2. The power of the board to make regulations under subsection 1 shall be independent of powers of any local authority to make regulations in respect of major port, provided that in case of conflict between the regulations made by the local authority, that means Panchayat rule, municipality or state government or TCP, and those made by the board, the regulations made by the board shall prevail. Atun kide common eta amka? We have created a state within a state. MPT will do whatever they want. And ye ame chief minister ak sangle ye pass sang dinaka. You will require to take permission to enter MPT. I used to say, sir, munda, a watchman at the gate will stop you. And he told, ye maka khabarus na. He looked visibly, you know, I mean, he was anxious. तो पळय म्हणटा भिवपाची गरज ना त्या टायमार तो डायलॉगूच येवंक ना भिलो आनी we had gone well prepared to explain to him because what is his other answer, famous answer? Study करपाक जाय. Study करपाक चान्सूच दिवंक ना ताका सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स एक्सप्लेन केले आनी ब्लॅक एंड व्हायटान दिले. That thing didn't come from his mouth, म्हाका स्टडी करूनी. So he understood. Now you all have understood first CZMP, second IWAI, now wo kaido pass zala to. Wo kaido superimposed on this coastal zone management plan. That means you have given our course to Mormugaon Port Trust. I am MPT, I will appoint a board, minimum 8 members, can be more. I will come out with my own rules, regulation. I will have my master plan. I will bring this infrastructure. I will ensure my Adani and my Jindal will have the last say. Can you all stop it? It is in national interest. You all understood now what is the danger in the plan what has been made for Goa? And या पासत आम्ही हे झूज मांडला. आयज तू काँग्रेसाचो जावं बीजेपीचो जावं MGPचो जावं कोणूय जावं, प्लीज फॉरगेट your political differences, come on one platform and save your Goa. Tomorrow on your deathbed when the children ask, डॅडी कितें कोत्तालो तूं? ना रे बाबा, हांव काँग्रेसाचो म्हूण वगी रावलो, हांव बीजेपीचो म्हूण वगी रावलो. You will not be able to say. We will cry and die there only. देव बरें करूं.